Farty! Lover Gods, noong mag-umpisa ang Eat Bulaga, never naming inisip na sa history ng aming programa, mararating nito ang ibang bansa.
Correct ka dyan, pare. Hanggang noong 2012, ang Eat Bulaga ay naging first ever Filipino television show na na-franchise abroad.
Mahigit isang taon ng Eat Bulaga, Indonesia sa SCTV. Ganon din sa ikalawa nitong tahanan na sa ANTV.
AN, okay. Ang 1,001 tuwa ay hindi na lang pang Pilipino, kung hindi pang Asyano. Panorin po natin to.
5, 4, 3, 2, play!
Monas! Nah! Satu untuk semua!
Eat Bulaga! Indonesia!
Datang berbagi ceria, bawa cinta untuk semua. Kejutan teristimewa bersama Eat Bulaga Indonesia.
Kita tiup 1,
2, 3!
Bersama di Eat Bulaga, Indonesia.
buong bansa, Eat Bulaga. Ibang bansa, Eat Bulaga pa rin!
Eat Bulaga Indonesia.
Sabi namin kanina, 2 Asian franchises. Yan ay dahil magkakaroon na ng isa pang tahanan ng Eat Bulaga sa Asia.
Wow!
Yan ang Eat Bulaga Myanmar!
Eat Bulaga.
Golden Land of Asia. More than 2,000 Buddhist temples. Home of Mount Popa. And 135 ethnic groups. With 55 million population. Ang bagong magiging tahanan ng Itbulaga.
Hanggaman ay halina kayo. Isang libot, isang tuwa. Taong bansa, Itbulaga.
Itbulaga, Myanmar!
Ayo nyanyi bersama-sama, ayo kita berbagi tawa, kejutan teristimewa bersama di Itbulaga Indonesia.
Abangan niyo yan.
Magaling, magaling.
Eat Bulaga, oo.
Eat Bulaga Myanmar, malapit ng maranasan ng mga magiging Dabar Gods natin na mga Burmese ang kasiyahang dala ng Eat Bulaga.
Dadali natin ang One for All at iba pang tatak Eat Bulaga segments sa Myanmar. Darali namin yan.
Kumbaga parang magiging nakababatang kapatid natin ng Eat Bulaga Myanmar. Kasi naman, halos ngayon pala nag-uumpisa ang television sa kanila.
Myanmar.
Kasama natin ang
Ay,
founder ng Platform Media and Management and Broadcasting Company sa Myanmar na nagpunta pa noon sa Pilipinas para hanapin ang Eat Bulaga. Please welcome Captain Ong Po.
Captain! Halika na. How are you, Captain po?
Captain Po, magandang tanghali sa iyo. O, wala ka masagot.
Ubay, Mabuhi.
Okay.
Mabuhi.
Captain po, can you tell us more about Myanmar television and about Myanmar?
Well, in Myanmar, mostly the televisions, they are showing the agricultural and the news, mostly on that. But some medias, they have the singing contest, but there is no reality show like the Eat Bulaga. So Myanmar people are hungering about the reality shows, variety shows like Eat Bulaga.
Okay. Sa kanila raw ay news at agrikultura ang karaniwang programa.
Sabi ni Captain po, okay daw ang Eat Bulaga.
Hindi. Sabi,
Hey, Captain,
agrikultura at news.
we're just curious. How did you learn about Eat Bulaga?
It's a dramatic story.
Oh, okay. Oh.
So it's 5 years ago. Actually I'm a pilot. So 5 years ago, I helped a Filipino man who was working at our airline with his challenges, and consequently, after 1 year back, he is going back to the Indonesia. He's going back to the Philippines. Then he introduced my business company with the aviation of the Philippines. So I started to invest in the Philippines 4 years ago in the aviation business, and I started to know the Filipino community from that on. Then one fine evening, I talked with Mr. Ed Kapunan, who is the ambassador of the Philippines to the Myanmar, and we have a conversation, and he proudly mentioned that the Eat Bulaga, which is the heart of the Philippines. And then I have a media production company also. Then I insisted and I requested him to have a meeting with the Eat Bulaga while I'm in the Philippines. So but by thinking that voila, Eat Bulaga is just a media entertaining company. So just think this is a normal show. But on the day I observed on the Eat Bulaga, and after that, I started to think. And actually, I started to run away. because Eat Bulaga is not a normal show like we thought. Because I saw the heart of the Eat Bulaga. That is not the entertaining of the community, but they are just sharing, kind-hearted, and also they are trying to fill the needs of the basic communities. So, and after that, we had the meeting and entering the conference hall. So I started to think how to run away because I thought I cannot meet the standard of the Eat Bulaga because it is a huge show. So I started to think how to run away. It's diplomatically how to run away.
Puro pananakbo to.
but
Okay.
after the meeting with Mr.
Tuviera.
Tuviera and Miss Jenny, that I started to change my mind because they are very accommodating and they just say, Mr. Po, just speak it out what you are feeling. You don't need to be scared of, and we will help you in all ways. But and another reason that touching my heart is that we are on the same track that helping the community with the CSR events and activities.
Hey, okay. Captain po, how are you preparing for Eat Bulaga?
Ang
Bulaga
sabi ni
Myanmar.
Captain po, okay daw talaga Eat Bulaga.
Pare-pareho. How are you preparing for Eat Bulaga
Yeah, how are you?
Myanmar?
Actually, this is not my first time, and I observe Eat Bulaga many times, but this is the first time for my team. So, for observing the Eat Bulaga's activities, show last Saturday on the barangay,
Barangay.
yes, reality show. Then
Yeah, you were there in Barangay NS Amoranto last Saturday.
Saturday.
yes, sir, yes, we were there. Our group were there.
Your team is
With
with,
the
you.
team.
Huh? Yeah.
Yeah, you brought your team with you, right? And we have the founder, Sander Kiao, the CEO. Ang assistant producer na si Myo Tu Ong. Kasama rin natin ngayon si Keen Po Wai, Sales and Marketing Director. And Ingin O, Coordinator.
Okay,
Welcome.
Welcome to Itbulaga, Philippines.
So, Captain Po, we have a gift for you. Okay.
This is made in Myanmar. No. Made in the Philippines. Ah,
We have a Eat Bulaga t-shirt for you, Mr. Captain.
Captain Po.
If you notice, no number yet. Okay? But we expect that when you come back, you have number 40 also.
Wow.
Okay?
Okay. Thank you. And good luck. And see you in Myanmar soon. Captain Po.
Chisutin Bade. Did I say it right?
Salamat po.
Salamat po.
Sisutin Bade.
Salamat,
Thank you.
Myanmar. And as we move to the 5th decade of Eat Bulaga, we welcome the second home of Eat Bulaga in Asia, Eat Bulaga, Myanmar.
Myanmar!
Coming soon!
Okay. Buong bansa, Eat Bulaga. Isa na namang bansa sa Asia, Eat Bulaga pa rin. Malapit na. Abangan niyo yan. Thank you, Captain Po. Myanmar! Thank you.
Dapat alis hanggang dulo. Saan ka man ay halina kayo. Isang libo, isang luwa, buong bansa. Ibulaga, buong bansa ay nagkakaisa. Sumat saya na aming dala. Isang libo, isang luwa, buong bansa. Ibulaga. Sino ito, Dick at Joey, pagkalay, yung marami, silang lahat ay nagbibigay.